Before we get started, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my quick productivity tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to book a meeting in Calendly so you can schedule with ease and keep your calendar organized. First, log into your Calendly account and head to your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing meetings and creating new ones. In the top left corner, click the Create button. From the options that appear, choose One-on-One. This is perfect for scheduling a focused meeting with a single person. A setup window will appear where you can customize your meeting. Change the event name to match your purpose, set the duration, whether it's a quick 15-minute call or a full hour, and choose the location. You can connect it to Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or another platform that works best for you and your guest. Once your details are set, click Create to save the event to your dashboard. Then click Save Changes to make sure everything is logged in. From your home page, find the meeting you just created and click Book Meeting. Here you can invite participants by entering their email addresses or selecting them from your connected calendar. This ensures they get all the details automatically. When you are ready, select the date and time that works best. Then click Book Meeting. Your event is now scheduled and your invitees will receive the confirmation. And that's it, you've successfully booked a meeting in Calendly. Pro tip, take advantage of Calendly's customization features, so your invites always feel personal and on. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe for more quick actionable guides